this look here and this kind of little rustic area. And so with this one, I'm gonna take some portraits. So I'm gonna use my 85 1.2 lens. And so yeah, we're just gonna get some looks and let's get started. All right, so for this spot, we had to move from the other spot to here because I wanted to get some of that sunlight glow in her face.
She's having selfies in the background.
Yeah, over there taking selfies.
Yeah.
I'm using my 85 1.2 aperture, 100 ISO and 2500 shutter. Again, we have some harsh lighting, so you have to go higher on the shutter for this particular shot. Shots with my 35 as well to get a nice wider angle kind of look. And so yeah, do that thing with the head and you can kind of look down, but have your head more straight. Put your head higher. But make you look more natural. You still kind of are like kind of like that. So when you're shooting, again, I'm trying to make her look taller, so I'm getting her at this angle and use a wider lens for that as well, to kind of get a taller kind of look. Her outfit, I got Forever 21. Guys, if you gotta shop for an outfit because the outfit is key. If you're a guy, I know it's hard to shop for outfits. Find a girlfriend, a girl that's a friend, go shopping with her for your model. Just a tip of the day.